Hello there, peeps. This is Two Shanks, and we're gonna do today our EDC gear. You know how we do it here in the South. You know that DJ screw. Know what I'm saying? So just what the doctor recommended. Know what I mean? So let's get a shot of that before we start. So as I'm gonna pour this drink in right now, I'm gonna tell you that in my right pocket, my pants or shorts, I carry that Cold Steel Cold 4. It's my everyday carry. It's one of many. Love that tanto shaped. You know what I mean? Lock back, triad lock. Very good for the money. Too bad it ain't titanium scales. Let's leave that up here. So I also carry a pry bar of some sort. The only gripe about the pry bars is that the pry bar should, in my opinion, always have a pocket clip. This is a Casey Lynch all access pass. As you can tell, it has been used. Let me see. Come on, there we go. It's a little bit chipped, the titanium, as y'all can see. A little bit scratched up. I use my shit. You know, got some candle wax on that. Use it for everything. That goes in the right pocket, but the change pocket, that small one. What I also carry in that change is my a lucky die. Sometimes the ferret likes to bite it, and he likes to steal it. I don't know why, but he likes to do that. I have a pet ferret, by the way. So it's a lucky die because after a terrible incident, I happened to stumble upon it on the streets, and I was like, "Hey, what's going on?" That's pretty good. In my left pocket goes my flashlight, the only one that I have, and the only one that I'll ever need, in my opinion. I forgot what it was called. A Prion, I think. I'm not too sure. Oh, let's see what it says. Yep, a Prion P2. Very nice. I'm not getting any more flashlights unless this one breaks. Favorite color too. Oh yeah, I forgot about that drink. I'm trying to limit myself on my time here. Oh yeah. Woo, it's been a while. I also carry pens, I believe. So this is a cross pen. Don't know what model. Blue as well. Let's take that shot. Ooh, hey, that was clean though. It was very clean. I also carry a red pen. So I work in the medical industry, and it's a good idea to always carry a red pen. This is a small Pilot G2. This is a baby one. It says mini right there. We're also gonna do the watch. I always believe in carrying a watch. Yeah, an Invicta, you know what I'm saying? Try to find the largest one, maybe unbreakable. The Hydromax in blue. Hopefully it comes out good in camera. Very thick, very beefy. I love it. Also carry my set of keys. Like to keep it minimal, no fancy bullshit. Little leather piece. I think it's fake leather, you know. I'm a fan of Dalton's work. Robbie Dalton. Joker knife, you know what I'm saying? The jammer. This was the jammer though, but I have several of these pieces. A cheese grater. The Mad Hatter. This is on maybe a lobster claw, they call it, a lobster hook. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, man. On my back left pocket, I carry the Bentley Rolo coins. I call it my coin purse. It weighs about 1 pound and 2 ounces. Nothing but quarters. My coin purse. Yeah, I mess with it. $10 worth of full roll of quarters fits in here. Yeah. I don't know, man. This is just a coin purse. I don't know what y'all think. But yeah. Carry a phone always as part of my EDC rotation. But it's the same phone. The only reason that if I change it is that I might get a other company, you know, maybe not Samsung. Maybe something else that I find on eBay. Got it pre-used, pre-owned. Got a little crack right there, but it's all fine. And lastly, I do carry a wallet. And what is my wallet, you'd say? The New Testament. I do like to break it open, you know, read a few chapters. Oh, fuck. Carry the money in there. I ain't gonna show you a lot, you know. I got that debit card in there. Let's take this stuff out. What do I carry? So the discounts, the ID, the company pass card. What else? The Metro card. And that's it, man. So tell me what y'all think. This goes in my right back pocket. This is 2 Shanks again, and I'm out for right now.